First week in the university is probably the hardest, and especially for international students, and that is because when we are new in the country we don't have a lot of friends. So one, we need to meet with a lot more people and then make friends. Number two, we are yet to choose our classes, so we don't know which subjects to choose and where are they going to take place. We have no idea about the campus, so we want to explore the campus, and on top of everything there is O week going on and we want to know everything about clubs and societies. And because there is so much to do, it is important to know what are the things that you should not do in your first week of your university. And that's why in this video we are covering 4 things that you should not do if you want to make the most out of your first week at your university. First things first, guys, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because we create all the content for international students who are in Australia and who are planning to come to Australia. And if you want to read articles, you can go to www.insiderguides.com.au. Getting back to the video. Now, the first important thing to remember is to choose your classes wisely. Now, this is something that I had no idea about, so this is coming from my personal experience. So I started my first semester at Monash University and I was studying Masters of Business. So what we have to do is we have to choose our classes. For example, one of the subject was of marketing. Now, marketing class can be offered at multiple times. For example, Monday morning 8 to 9, or Wednesday afternoon 12 to 2, or Friday evening 6 to 8. And you have to choose which is the timing which is most convenient to you. And you have to be pretty proactive in this, because a lot of times people will not choose Monday morning 8 o'clock class. And if you wait till the last day, then the only option that you will get is Monday morning 8 o'clock. And a lot of students do not wake up that early to come and attend a class on a Monday. So that's tip number 1. Do not wait till last day to choose the right timings for your classes. Moving on to point number 2, and that is not to miss out on your library tour. Now, this comes from experience. I was one of those people who did not attend library tour, and I thought that that is so boring. I am not going to use library so much, so why do I need to attend a library tour? So I did not attend it. Now the time of exams came, and during last couple of weeks of a semester there's so many assignments that you have to do, plus exams are approaching, and that's why you end up spending a lot of time in the library. Now, there are only so many books of the subject that you are studying in the library. If you don't know where those books are kept, if you don't know how to search for the right books, if you don't know how to borrow those books from the library, you are not going to get those books, and that's why you have to attend the library tour. Moving on to tip number 3, and that is not to shy away from making new friends. Now, what happens is, as international students, when we go to a new country, new university, and where we do not know anybody, we end up spending a lot of time from people from our country, because we just find the comfort zone talking in our own language, and that's why we don't get a lot of friends from all these different countries. Now, the thing that you have to do is to try and talk to people from different countries and make friends with them. The reason why I'm saying this is because the friends that you make in first couple of weeks are really special, and probably you'll end up spending all your university life with those friends. My best friend, I met him in the first week in the university. We met 3 years back and still we are best buddies. And that's why what you want to do is to talk to more and more people from different nationalities and try and make as many friends as you can. And the last and most important point is to not forget to take it easy and have fun. You'll be meeting a lot of people in your first week of the university. Not necessarily everybody's attitude you're gonna like, but important thing is to take it easy and decide who would you like to hang out with. You're going to see a lot of clubs and societies and get to know about those things, but not necessarily you're going to join all the clubs and societies. Your job is to find the right club and societies to join so that you can continue your hobby or your passion. and most importantly, enjoy the new country that you're in. Hope you loved the video, guys. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If you haven't liked this video, hit that like button and share this video with your friends so that when they come to Australia as an international student, they can make the most out of their first week at the university. See you in the next video.